and welcome everyone. So today I'm sharing a great news with all of you. I have officially graduated from Android Developer Nanodegree course through Google India Scholarship Program. So here is my certification which I got printed and framed as soon as I got the digital version. So here is my official degree from Udacity. So in this course I learned a lot. So first of all I would like to thank Google and Udacity for providing me with this opportunity, as well as Akshat Jain, who mentored me and provided guidance throughout the Nano degree as well as challenge course. So today I also want to share with you the Capstone project which I made. Capstone project is a project which is developed at the end of the program, which includes all the concepts you learned throughout the course. So since I am doing my masters in mathematics, I choose to develop a mathematics based app, which is exactly a trigonometry based app. So trigonometry is a subtopic just in case you don't know. So let me show you my app. So let's continue with the slides. Let us get started. Trigonomania was my capstone project for the Android Developer Nano degree. You can see the user interface here, which is very simple here, which provides good UX or user experience. The controls are just straightforward and easy to understand. Now we see what is Trigonomania. It is an Android app which is based on trigonometry, which is a subtopic of mathematics. What it does, it calculates trigonometric functions given any two sides of a triangle. Another feature is to calculate all the sides of a triangle given a side and an angle. Let us see which technologies are used here. I have used Firebase and AdMob here. I have also used MVVM architecture, which is model view model architecture using Android architecture components like view model and live data. The library room is used for data persistence. So getting an overview of the app, you can see here that in the first method is on the left side and the second method is on the right. So focusing on the first method here on the left, you can see that if the first method is selected, there is choice between two angles, which is phi or theta. So you have to choose one of them and you have to provide the value of one of the sides. Maybe it is AB, AC or BC. So this takes input as angle and a side and outputs all sides of the triangle. So using trigonometry, all the sides are determined given only one side and an angle. In the second method, you just need to provide two sides, any two sides. As you can see, the second method is selected and a choice is given between the sides. You need to choose any two different sides or distinct sides, AB, AC, BC, and the same goes for side 2. So input any two sides and take output of all the trigonometric functions, that is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta and all the remaining functions. So what internally first method does? So you can see here that one side is input and an angle is input. So it uses Pythagoras theorem. It uses trigonometry to determine the second side using the given angle, and then it is using the Pythagoras theorem, which is very famous and simple to understand. The relevant code is in mathutils class, which you can look up through the GitHub link I will be providing shortly. And after calculations, the data is passed to the recycle views adapter, which shows the rounded off values, just like you can see in the screenshot. The angle is 30, that is the phi angle, as you can see that is selected, and side AC is given as 10. So perpendicular BC is the value 5.0. So all the respective values are shown. In the second method, you can see that I'm using two sides as an input, and it again uses the Pythagoras theorem as well as the math class of Java to calculate the trigonometric functions. And again the code is in the same file, mathutils class, and the output is visible there, like if I input AB as 12 and AC as 15, you can see the sine theta is about 0.8, cos theta is 0.6, and so on. So these are some mathematical calculations behind the scene, and as user presses the submit, the data is saved through room and is used for later viewing. The recent calculations part is where rooms comes into action. It uses the room for storing the calculations. As you can see, there are two tabs in recent calculations activity, first method and second method. So it shows the most recent calculations you have done. So internally it has two different tables, first method and second method, and the delete all button creates the tables. So our Android architecture components helped a lot in making this app efficiently. I have also used the repository pattern to extract the operations which are not directly related to activity. Although there are not network operations which should be in the repository class, but still there are some actions which could be separated according to MVVM architecture. So this was the app. Thank you for watching, guys. This is the URL of the repo where you can make pull requests and create issues. I will be happy to improve the app. You can look through the code which shows you some good examples of using architecture, room, and more good Android practices. You can connect with me on GitHub. My username is Sidhu Paras, and my Twitter username is parassidhu1, as you can see on the screen. So again, thank you for watching, guys. Keep moving on. All the best. Thank you.